Is Mars ours to colonize?
I'm Ritik, this is Yash, and you're watching
Discover Brilliance. Some people argue that we have no choice but to colonize Mars.
And some people argue that we will fail to colonize Mars because we will use all the natural resources. So who's right?
So let's first discuss why we would fail to colonize Mars. So why would we fail?
Money. Well, one of the biggest issues of space travel is the cost. Where is the money going to come from? Despite SpaceX building powerful rockets at a fraction of the cost that NASA builds theirs at, it still costs $90 million per launch.
Multiple launches will be required, not only to transport humans, but also to export supplies such as food, medical equipment, water, and many more.
Not to mention, we will need specifically engineered items such as suits and domes to live in. Living there would require specific infrastructure that would add to the cost.
We will also need energy, a lot of energy. Therefore, we will have to build some sort of power generator to power the transport, the computers, and the infrastructure.
Even designing artificially intelligent robots that may take away some sort of hard work need time and money to build. If any robot was to malfunction or break, that would add to the cost.
Alongside robots, we would also need special teams of engineers, researchers in different fields, military teams, doctors, nurses, and many more.
To fully accomplish and be successful in this mission, we will need a lot more than a few billions, maybe even an amount put together by some of the richest countries in the world.
Moving aside from the technical aspects, we know that Mars is not an ideal planet for mankind. It's much further away from the sun, meaning it's cold. At night, temperatures can drop to minus 63 degrees Celsius.
Secondly, the atmosphere on Mars consists mainly of CO2. For humans to survive, they will have to be in suits with oxygen all the time.
Have we missed any points why humans may fail to colonize Mars? If we have, leave your thoughts down below in the comments.
Let's now discuss the argument that we have no choice but to colonize Mars. It is true that one day Earth will become uninhabitable.
Over time, climate change may become so drastic that we experience extreme weathers such as droughts, floods, storms, and many more on an everyday basis. We may even experience a famine on Earth due to droughts washing away our crops.
Oceans, rivers, and lakes may become so polluted with plastic and other wastes that we may no longer be able to use water or drink water on Earth.
The human population is increasing exponentially. On an everyday basis, we are consuming more energy, food, and water. It is true to say that one day there may not be enough left for the future generations.
In addition to the increasing population using more finite resources, we are also producing more and more waste. We are also using up a lot of land to build housing and also to use it as waste field sites. There may be a day where we don't have enough space to grow food and our population may starve to death.
With the current affairs happening in the world right now, World War III does not seem surreal. Most superpowers have nuclear bombs to fight with. These nuclear bombs may not only kill humans, but may release so much radiation that countries cannot support life at all. The way that the human race is currently going, we definitely feel like Mars is our only option. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave them in the comments down below.
And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up because we have a lot more content coming your way.
This was our first video. We've tried our best and we're going to continue improving. So we shall see you on the next one. Peace.